2 words, game changer. We had a tournament in Boca Grande this past summer. It was blowing 35, straight on shore. We had to come out of the marina. There was 4-foot rollers. As soon as you came around the seawall, everybody was afraid. People were talking about getting Ubers back to the boat ramp to move their trailers, and nobody could run on plane. I was probably the 20th boat to leave and head back to the boat ramp. I was the first boat back to the boat ramp. Everybody's soaking wet. I'm as dry as can be. I think I drank a beer on my way back. No drop of water on me. My motor didn't have a drop of water on it. Never reached for a trim tab. I literally pulled into Placida boat ramp, and I was backing my truck down when the other guys were just pulling in, and they were walking up the boat ramp stopping me. What is that? How are you running like that? I wasn't moving, wasn't bouncing, just I cruised right by them. It's all true. Like, it's badass. Wanted my ride system.